Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Super Bowl 2015. Second game, this day of February 16, Monday. Our birthday boy, Mr. Devon Lai, our most valuable player. He's from APC team. He scored a 59-54 victory over Rover. Devon Lai, his name is, he has 15 points, 14 rebounds, 9 assists, and 5 steals. Mr. Unlay, ano po masasabi natin sa team na, pinabati ko po si Mr. Pateng Ang, ang ato pong Chinese translator ngayon since malapit na po ang Chinese New Year. So Mr. Pateng Ang, pakitranslate na po yung sasabihin ko. Mr. Unlay, ano po ang masasabi natin sa pagkapanalo natin ngayong gabing to?
Saya pong need niya na
Kung Hei Fat Choi!
Sinam.
Parang Ilocano yun, parang.
Chong Koy Na, Butchiki. Cha lang chow.